Good morning. I'm Carla Raines, and I am with Pay Proudly. And this morning I'm here at the Greater Bluffton Chamber of Commerce for a member spotlight. And we want to first thank our member spotlight sponsor, LJG Events. And I'd like to introduce to you Bryon Mallernee with Union Home Mortgage. Good morning, Bryon.
Thank you, Carla. I appreciate you having me this morning. Just a quick tidbit of, I guess, who I am. 20 years in the business. I have a lovely wife and 2 children. One's 12 and one's almost 4.
Wonderful.
I have been with Union Home Mortgage for 8 years. We specialize in construction, one-time close, VA, FHA, lots of different programs. But we are a fully funded, self-serviced mortgage lender. So we do a lot of different things. And I personally love to educate buyers on the process. I remember when I first did it, it was very daunting, and even showing up to closing, I still felt like I didn't know what was going on. So
it's intimidating with all that paperwork. And
absolutely.
How do you make it a little bit easier for your clients?
Well, so technology and world-class service is what Union's all about, and what I'm all about is just, I want to educate them as far as they want to be, and we offer video calls, in-person meetings, very easy online applications. So we make it very easy, friendly. My team is awesome. So yeah, we try and make it less daunting, more enjoyable to go through. There's a lot to it.
Yeah, it is. It's intimidating
Yes.
and overwhelming sometimes, the amount of paperwork. And I always say they're going to ask for a vial of blood next, right? When you're
Yes,
going through the
absolutely.
underwriting process.
Yep.
But in your office is located where?
We are in Hilton Head Island.
Okay. But you can help people in the area because a lot of it is virtual, right?
Absolutely. We cater to them. So whether it's in person or over a video call or just a phone call, we can do the whole state of South Carolina, Georgia. So I'm licensed in Florida and Michigan as well.
Oh, no, very good to know. And construction loans, it's a one-time close. That's a big deal.
Yes.
Makes it much easier. And what other type of loans? Refinance? Do you do that type of?
We do refinances, anything purchase, refinance. We have low down payment assistance mortgages. We actually have an FHA mortgage that allows you to do a second mortgage where you have 0 down.
Oh.
We offer rural development. We offer VA one-time close at 100% financing. FHA, 3.5% down, one-time close.
Oh, that's phenomenal.
So yeah, we have a lot of programs for buyers and builders. So lots of specialty programs.
And when someone, a lot of people, they love to go and look at homes online and everything, but it's best to see someone like you first because they need to know what they qualify for, right? That's where you should start.
Absolutely. Number one is affordability. I think some people may have a hard time understanding what can I afford.
Right.
And so it's better to know that going before you start so that you don't, for one, fall in love with the home and then find out otherwise.
Right.
And then so you can definitely narrow down your search and what your family needs and wants are.
Yeah, and interest rates right now are
starting to come down.
Yes, that's good news, right?
Yes, we've seen about a point decrease in the last 60 days. And I know that all the things that I follow, we're looking at we may dip into the high 5s, low 6s by the end of this year.
Oh, that would be great.
So that would be amazing to see that, yeah.
Yeah, that would be great, especially for those that are first-time home buyers and, trying to get their home started.
Well, and it definitely brings that affordability back down for them so they can shop in that price range that they really wanted to.
Yeah, because it's much better to own than rent.
And we have other options to combat that too, whether it's temporary buy-downs or permanent rate buy-downs. We can discuss those options with them for sure.
Okay,
Yeah.
Wonderful. So I think really, it's educating your clients and working with them one-on-one and kind of hand-holding all the way up to closure.
Absolutely. I don't want any stone unturned or any feeling of confusion, not understanding. I want them to feel, going to that closing is supposed to be one of the happiest days of your life, and it's
Right.
one step towards financial wellness.
And if you have clients that have a little bit of some work that they need to do on their credit score, are you able to help them with that and give them some guidance on how to improve their credit scores?
We have this amazing tool called the Score Wizard, which allows me to go in and manipulate your credit report, make certain changes that ultimately will give you a roadmap of where's my money best spent, what can I do, should I pay off this collection, should I pay down this credit card, and it's right from the credit bureaus and tells you not exactly, I shouldn't say, it's an estimated point increase in how long it will take.
Oh, well,
So yeah,
that's
I can
fabulous.
certainly help people with planning.
Yeah, because that's a tough area to navigate. You know, even just getting your credit pulled can sometimes ding it. Right?
20 years, I still don't understand the credit bureau. So yeah.
That makes two of us. So.
So in credit, revolving credit accounts, credit cards, excuse me, are 30% of your score. So it's important to know keeping your balance under 30% of the high limit is huge.
Wow, yeah,
So
that is
there's
huge.
a lot of people just don't know that.
No, that was a good bit of news for me as
Yeah.
well to know. Well, I appreciate you coming this morning, Bryon,
Thank you.
and I've learned a couple things just from our brief conversation, so I know you'd be great to help those that are navigating purchasing a home, refinancing, or building a new home.
Well, thank you, Carla. I look forward to it, and I appreciate you guys having me today.
Thank you.
Thank you.